Hello students, today we are to start the class 9 chapter number 2. It's real number. First we see that what is real number. It is new for you, new topic for you. Real number. Real number can be defined as a union of both the rational and irrational number. It is denoted by the symbol R. Okay, means see the diagram. It is a combination of the rational and the irrational number. Okay, now here is two terms is there, rational and irrational. First we know about that what is rational and what is irrational. Step by step we have to discuss about what is rational and irrational. So first we take rational number. What is rational number? It is a number which it can be represented in the form of p by q. In the form of p by q, where p and q are integers, and see that q does not equals to 0. First we know that what is integers. See that definitions. See that some conditions there. Integers is a whole number. First thing, what is positive, negative, both numbers you have to take, and not in the fractions or decimals. So see the example of integers: -5, 10, 2, 8, -12, etc. It is okay. Now see the definition of rational number, where p and q are integers and q does not equals to 0. If we take 3 by 0, it makes what? Undefined. If we take -7 by 0, undefined, means what? If we divide 3 by 0, what we have to got? Undefined, means we have to write undefined. Okay, see the example of the rational number: -1 by 3, 2 by 3, 5 by 7, and -19 upon 7. Okay, next thing is what? Irrational number. What the definition says? Which irrational number which cannot be written in the form of p by q. In the rational number, what we have to say that in the p by q, but irrational number which cannot be written in the form of p by q. Or there is another definition of the irrational number: the number whose decimal representation is non-terminating and non-recurring, or we have to say that non-repeating. Non-recurring or non-repeating, both are same. Okay, now two new terms is there. What is what? What is that one? Non-terminating and non-recurring. Okay. Okay, first we have to see that what is irrational number which is not be in the form of p by q. There is some example: √2, √3, √5, pi. Okay, it is what? Irrational number. Example of the irrational number. Okay, now we have to discuss about non-terminating and non-recurring. Okay, next. Now see the terminating decimal number. As the name said, terminating means we have to terminate anything, or we have to say that remainder is 0. What we have to say that remainder is what? 0. Suppose we have to take some example. Suppose 1 by 2. Okay, in the rough you have to do 1 by 2 with the remainder is 0. When we have to divide 2 by 1 by 2, what we have got? 0.5. Means you have to see that remainder is what? 0. You have to make in the rough and see that what we have to got. Okay, same condition, 1 by 5, what we have got? 0.2. Same also you have to make in the rough. We will got remainder is what? 0. Next thing is 1 upon 25. Same what we have got? 0.04. Here also remainder is what? 0. You have to make rough in your copy and see that either it is remainder 0 or not. Okay. Next is what? Non-terminating decimal number. Means those number is not terminate. Means remainder will not be in the 0. In the terminating decimal number, remainder is 0. But in the non-terminating decimal number, remainder will never be a 0. Okay. See this some example. 1 upon 3. 1 upon 3 equals to what we got? If we divide 1 divided by 3, what we have to get? 0.333 dot 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 up to infinite. Means 3 will go up to infinite. Now see the second example, 1 upon 6. If we have to divide 1 upon 6, what you have to get? 0.1666 dot 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 up to infinite. What we have to get? 666. Okay, next thing, 3 by 13, 0. If we divide 3 by 13, what you have to get? 0.2307692 dot means remainder is not 0, means it will be repeated any number. Okay, I think it is clear. Terminating and non-terminating means what? Terminating decimal number is what? Those who are terminated means remainder is 0, and non-terminating decimal number, let we say that it is not terminate and remainder will be never be a 0. Okay, next thing is what? Non-terminating, terminating, non-terminating is over. See that next term is what? Non-recurring and non-repeating. Now we have to discuss about the recurring and the non-recurring. Okay. Now see that recurring decimal number, what I have to written here? Repeated numbers. Recurring means what? Repeated. Suppose we have to take the example 7 upon 6. If we have to divide 6 by 6 to 7, what we have to get? 1.16666 dot. Okay, 6666 means it will up to infinite it will go. So if we have to stop 6666, what we have to make here? To make power bar. See that what you get? 1.16 ka power bar. Okay, it is stop. Same thing you have to do. See the second example, 1 upon 9. If we divide 1 upon 9, what we have to get? 0.1111 dot means 1 will go at the end also. So if we have to stop 1, so what we have to make here? 0.1 ka power bar. Okay, next same thing, 1 upon 11. If we divide 1 upon 11, what we have to get here? 0.09090909 means, see the repetition here, 090909. So what we have to make here? Bar here 0.09 ka power bar. Okay, next and same, if we divide 9 upon 11, 0.818181 dot. Two numbers are repeating here. Okay, so we have to make, in the two numbers we have to make bar. I think it is clear. Now next thing it is what? Recurring is completed, I think. Now see that non-recurring decimal number. Okay, what it says? Non-repeated means those decimal number are not repeated. Suppose root 2. Now how we have to find root 2? What is the value of root 2 here? 1.41421356623 dot. Okay, first thing is that how we have to find out the root 2? It is a value of 1.414. It is not a in the decimal not in the fraction form. I think it is it will be a what? Irrational example of the irrational number. What is the value of root 2? 1.41421356623 dot. How we have to get this value? By the long division method. Later we have to discuss about how we have to solve the root 2, root 3, root 5, root 7 in the long division method. Later we have to discuss about that in another video. Okay, now see that here also root 3, 1.73205080 dot. See here root 2 and root 3, either after the decimal number or any number it is repeated? No, it is not repeated. That's why we have to see that non-repeated decimal number is not repeated, so we have to make not any bar. Similarly also root 5, 2.23606977, though as you get it is number is repeated. No, number is not repeated, so we can't make any bar. See also pi also 3.14285711428, and number is repeated. No, number is not repeated, so we don't make any bar. So I think it is clear for you what is recurring, what is non-recurring. Recurring means what? Repeated. Non-recurring means what? Non-repeated. Okay, thanks students. So what we have to today is studied that what is real numbers. It is a combination of the rational and the irrational number. And what is recurring or repeated numbers? Those numbers are repeated, so if you have to stop the repeated numbers, we have to make the bar. And what is non-recurring numbers? I think it should be clear for all the students. And one more thing, it is that at least once we have to revise all the topics, it will be help for the further videos. And next video we have to discuss about how to find out the 3 or 4 or 2 rational number between two numbers. Okay, thanks to all of you.